Devices used in smart homes. Smart home owners are always connected to the internet and they use AI-enabled devices to monitor and manage appliances and systems with remote control. These devices use the various domains of AI like computer vision, machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. Following are popular smart devices in trend nowadays. Smart TV. Smart TVs are AI-enabled TVs and can perform many tasks. Smart TV allows its users play music, movies, or change channels using internet, and all this can be controlled with your voice. Video doorbells. Video doorbells provide security as the owner can watch who is outside the door before actually opening it. It has a built-in camera to watch and a microphone to talk to the visitor through the intercom. Smart cameras. When it comes to home security, smart cameras are the most important devices. It is used to monitor the indoor and outdoor activities. It not only records the movements but also sends alerts for suspicious movements. Smart smoke detectors. This device sounds an alarm. When smoke is detected, it can warn you if there is fire in your home. Smart lighting. Smart lights help in saving and conserving the energy. It can be programmed to turn on or off, control the brightness, and store your preferences. Smart speakers. These smart speakers can accept voice commands and can be controlled through smartphones. They can also perform activities like creating a playlist, turning on reminders, searching information on the internet, etc.